Okay, today slightly arranging the machine shop. I started out with a big hmm. Well, what's a about? Well, I'll show you. I'll put it down on a piece of steel. That's okay there. I started out with many lathes, which is all done. Okay, great. Runs perfect. The chips, I gotta clean that up. So, wood lathe. Solid, heavy wood lathe. Oh, okay. I'm gonna mount that compound onto, which is this, not this one. It's too short. Oh dear. Oh well. Lucky I have another one over here. So I'm gonna mill it like that. This will mount perfect. I make it a heavy duty wood lathe, and why not turn it into a metal lathe, right? Crazy. Told you I'm nuts, right? So this piece I made a while ago. I'll just line it up and scribe it properly and make a wider one. And what brand is this? I think it's a Craftsman wood lathe, old timer. Nice 3-jaw chuck. I added the motor, put the wood down and cleaned it up, painted it, repainted it. I mean, I got so many lathes, why do I want? I don't. I'm totally insane. It's just because I like doing it. Oh, this one I just rearranged it a little bit. I was, yeah. Okay, let's take a look at what I did do today. Mount some pieces of bar stock in here. Put this in a proper location. Middling table. Organization, yeah. I love these brass balls for handles. All the plastic went in the garbage can. These kind of handles here are made of brass, and all these balls here. New hand wheel. I didn't like the hand wheel. I put a nice one on. Move around here. Yeah. This is from the Inventor 3. Is that there? I got all kinds of machinery down here. Tooling. My drill press. I should use this all the time. But as I said, I'm crazy. This one is complete with this. Rotary table. It's tilting table. Very heavy. Fits on here perfect. And a 3-jaw chuck and other pieces down below it holding that. These big Z blocks. I've used this a number of times. It works great. This one works great as well. Thank you, Inventor 3. This one works great as well. An Excel mill, which works fantastic. It's shapers and stuff. Let's see, what did I move today? Inventor 3 again. This one I bought on eBay a couple of years ago. Foot-driven unit. That's kind of motor on it, but that's okay. Oh, drop something. What did I drop? Why did I drop it? I don't know. Oh, here's a hand-powered milling machine, this thing. that clamps on the shaft so you can put in keyways. Portable milling machine. Heavy as hell, too. Here's a miniature collection of watchmaker lathes and other tooling and stuff. Okay, move some stuff around here. There's another inventor suitcase. Wow. I moved some things here. I wanted to move this calibrator up here. Hard to read that, isn't it? It's just iPad, you know. This takes precise measurements of some piece of gear. I was trying to read it. What's it say? FND Federal Products, Providence, Rhode Island. Oh, cool. Model 120-1. Another piece goes in here. A bar goes down there. I got that somewhere. This goes up and down, moves in any different angles so you can measure something. Even the anvil here is movable. I'm not sure. Oh, maybe. Yeah, I got it. Let's see. Anvil. Yeah, okay. It all moves around in different directions too. There we go. Beautiful piece. Oh, I'm busy. Yeah, all this stuff down here, attachments for machine tools. Clapper boxes for, how many of those I got? 2 of them? Yeah, no. Yeah, I got, wow. I know shaper to go with these, huh? They're just on eBay, they don't sell, so I buy them once in a while. Oh, and here is loaded full of stuff. Chucks and compounds and measuring stuff. Yeah, I understand what this whole thing is here. That's quite a piece for measuring stuff, huh? This is for balancing things with this here. U.S. Navy property. Oh, I got it now. Navy identification. Nord E 1822 or something. I can't really see through iPad. It's kind of, yeah. Model 1522. There's hand wheels off that big lathe. To me, they're not substantial enough. So I put something like, where are we with hand wheels? I'll move around here. Heavy duty stuff. I think that's a 2-man tap. Tap holder. Wow, that's a monster. I got a bunch of them. Indexing stuff, I got lots of those pieces. This is for grinding. But I need the vacuum cleaner hooked up to do that kind of stuff in here. And it does have the vacuum cleaner, just missing the fan and the motor for some unknown reason, but we'll get that someday. So I'm always busy, very busy. Yes, of course, major. antique lathe, antique drill press. And we got a shelf up here with goodies on it. So, just arranging something. I got involved in making the compound rest for that lathe. I'm looking for things that I got going on to a tangent. It's easy to do. This is just all measuring stuff in here. Oh, why? All parts for measuring stuff. Kind of thumb in here. Open the drawer. So these are all micrometers and stuff like that. And more pieces of parts. Lots of stuff. Mr. Stuffy. Hello, Mr. Stuffy. Oh, here we are. Nice little millie. Some dovetails. I got all kinds of mill things. This is a mini section. Chucks and stuff down here, big stuff, heavy stuff. Yeah, this is a tiny little South Bend shaper. Works fine. I'm used to it. And I got another one, very heavy, bigger one. That's pretty heavy. I think it's 12 incher, 14 inches, something like that. But again, still like to get a 36-inch shaper. A Cincinnati shaper. Oh my God. Cutting tools. More mills. Engines. Some George Hathaway traded metal samples for one of these pieces years ago. Trade. Beautiful index. Had this piece. Very heavy, very big. Curl out. I'm in metal mode for a while. Here's this piece I built. Redone. Works great, as I said before. What else I got going here? A mini mill of some kind. Machine tools, more ways. A flyball governor. Every car needs one. It works good. Should put a motor on it. More lathes. What else I got? Oh, jeez. Oh, well, it's fun. So, more lathes, more lathes. That's that mystery lathe. So, it all started the other day. I got that going fine. And I got into this bee in my bonnet to put a compound on a wood lathe. Well, okay, why not? You never know, a long piece or something. Who knows? I'm totally nuts. Up. I keep busy every day. Put this together. It's a Mark 14 gun sight. Air supplies, the gun sight, gyros, drives everything fine. Solid bronze pieces from Mr. Alec in Greece. That's mounted for an Oerlikon. Now, this is bronze down there. To clean that up, it's going to be quite a bit of fun, but all these mounts. Well, I got a lot of Oerlikon cameras, so got them out. And a little pump thing to get from somebody. One of these guys. More bronze mounts. Heavy stuff from Mr. Alec in Greece. So, table saw. Oh well, so I did that. I usually take videos of stuff I'm doing. This stuff I'm organizing. I'm getting some couple from a friend back east. Big heavy green receipt, like transmitter, power supply. And the experiment is still going on here. I'm way behind in many things here, but look, I got all that high voltage hooked up. Yeah, I use round balls to suppress any sparks, stray sparks. I prefer Corona rings, but I don't know where to get them. What do I have down there? Oh. But keeps me out of trouble, I think. Should I go around this way? Turn the light off. Did I turn the light off already? Yeah, so that's what I was doing in machinery stuff today. And then I've done a lot in here, the armory as I call it. Ooh, smell of stuff. It's all very heavy. A worm gear off a cannon rotational traverse mechanism. Oh, cool. And cannon barrels. And this place is one of the most jammed places I could ever imagine. These crates are full. Literally full. These are 40 mm cannon barrels. Just below here. I am insane. Okay, this is a 3-inch 50 cannon barrel. Let's see. Let me think. How many cannons did I take apart? 4 ships. 1, 2, 8, 9. 10. Including the 90 mm anti-aircraft I did a video on. Engine room telegraph. Everybody needs one, right? Engine order telegraph. Oh well. Blah, blah, blah. More machinery. My chair. When using the mini lathe, I sit in this chair. It's kind of fine work, detail work. So, where am I now? No, I was gonna show off these things. No, let's see. I don't know what they do. Okay, this is a heavy one. These are rollers. Or a printing mill, I guess. Solid bronze, brass. So I guess they cast it. So you put this rolls along paper. Let's see if I can read anything here. So these would be on a steel bar, I would believe, and would roll along and put down ink. I don't know how. Not sure how they work. What's this one here? This one is the same. Oh, it's a 100-pounder. Wow. Let's see what we can see what on here. Kind of backwards, I guess. I don't think any artwork on these things. There's some kind of stuff here. Let's take a look. Yeah, there's artwork. Can't quite read it. Free Francisco. San Francisco. Yeah, so let's be rolling around. And print out paper. Now, wouldn't it be funny if I found one of these that had money? Just roll out your own money, huh? Something else here. What does that say? It says, Cobbor, I think. Yeah. Well, it's kind of cool, you know. I got a lot of these. Gotta go to the scrapyard now. There's a bunch over there. I thought I saw one that had some ornate kind of stuff on it. Very heavy, about 100 pounds each, maybe. Yeah, this one. Uh-oh. So, that's what I'm doing today. Decided to drop down here and grab one of these and show it off. Oh, wow, he's heavy. I can't hardly lift it. The other one I can. There's smaller ones, too. Another one here. Yeah, a bunch of them. One over there. Another one here. It's all letters. Interesting. All letters. That's kind of cool, isn't it? I think I got one down to 2 inch, 2.5 inch. Any more got hidden around here? They're all inside, I guess. Okay. Oh well, that's interesting stuff. Oh, tomorrow I guess I'll mill out on here slot. Like I did with that one. Yeah, good. Yeah, raining today. Oh, gotta go.